Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. What could possibly be the best Megan Fox costume out there? Let's take a closer look at the Disguise Women's Eevee Adult Costume Kit. If you're a Pokemon fan or just looking for a standout outfit, this might just be what you need. Let's get started. This officially licensed costume is inspired by Eevee from Pokemon. It comes with everything you need to transform into this adorable character. A headband with ears, a collar, and a tail. Made from 100% polyester, it's designed for comfort and durability, though you'll want to hand wash it to keep it looking its best. Taking a closer look at the quality, the stitching and materials used here are impressive. The headband is sturdy yet lightweight, and the ears stand upright just like Eevee's. The collar and tail complete the look perfectly, making it instantly recognizable. I'm about to mention your height, and mention your size, and this one size fits most adult costume fits me comfortably. It's not restrictive and allows for easy movement, which is great if you're planning to wear it to a party or an event. While it's perfect for Halloween or cosplay events, I can see this being a hit at themed parties or even just for fun around the house. It's certainly eye-catching and a conversation starter. To wrap it up, the Disguise Women's Eevee Adult Costume Kit is not just about dressing up, it's about embodying a beloved character. Whether you're looking to channel Megan Fox's style or simply adore Pokemon, this costume delivers. It's well made, comfortable, and captures the essence of Eevee perfectly. If you're thinking about adding a bit of Pokemon magic to your wardrobe, this could be your go-to choice. If you're interested in picking up one of these for yourself or someone special, I've left a link in the description below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.